Yo, what is going on, guys? This video I'm going to be showing you how to get 007 First Light for free. This is a pretty expensive game costing around 70 US dollars. Apologies for the dirty screen, but yeah, this is going to get you a free digital copy that you can redeem, and this is a code, so it doesn't matter if you play on PlayStation, Xbox or PC or Steam. This digital code that you can use right now is going to get you a free copy of 007 First Light. Now, before I show you this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial. It's going to take you a few minutes, but this is going to get you a free copy of the game. So you need to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your digital game code. So use your mobile, I'm using an iPhone, and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, Crash Coupons, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this website here with loads of different pages. Now you can scroll down and look for the 007 First Light free digital game code, so you can see that there, or you can use the search bar to type in 007 and it will pop up as well. So yeah, just do either of those and just basically find this free game code for all platforms. Like I said, this is available on Xbox, PlayStation, PC and Steam. So as you can see, this is going to get you a valid working code. Now, once it finds your code, you do need to unlock it, guys. This is because these are limited. There's 800 codes remaining at the time of recording. I did this earlier, so I won't waste the code to make this video. But what you're going to need to do, guys, is click on Get Full Code. And that is going to bring up a new page, and it tells you what you need to do, guys. It takes about 5 minutes. It's completely free. You just need to complete a couple of tasks, and if you follow all of the instructions, fully complete 2 of the tasks, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your 007 First Light digital game code will be revealed here. And then you can go ahead and redeem it in your Microsoft account, in the Microsoft Store, or in the Steam Store, or wherever you choose to play. And that is how to get 007 First Light for free. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.